We all were looking forward to Jio's fiber, which eventually costed a lot higher than expected, even with its free offerings. Well, Airtel just launched its 1 Gbps plan. Let's compare it with Jio. Airtel's 1 Gbps plan costs Rs 4000, whereas Jio have two 1 Gbps plan. One costs Rs 4000 and other costs 8500. The Jio's 4000 plan offers 2500 GB of data with 1 Gbps of speed, with which we can get a 32-inch HD TV. They also give OOT subscription, but what all they give in it is not specified. The 8500 plan doubles the data limit to 5000 GB and we get a 43-inch 4K TV instead of a 32-inch HD TV. Whereas Airtel 4000 plan offers unlimited data at 1 Gbps without any FUP data limit. And also it includes 1 year of Amazon Prime membership and 3 months of Netflix. We also get Airtel Xtreme with it. So clearly it's a lot better deal. Airtel seems to be a lot cheaper than Jio and seems more cost effective. If this video was helpful, then do like the video and subscribe to the channel.